Welcome and subscribe to Erikaunda YouTube channel for more tips on how to cook.
Hello viewers, I know it's been a while since we last cooked your favorite meal or mena. It's another special day that we want to welcome you to the YouTube channel. And today we are going to prepare something delicious, that is homemade pancake. And these are the ingredients that we are going to use for today. We hope you'll enjoy the procedure.
First, tutatumia unga. It's self-raising. Personally, I use eggs. Secondly, sugar, like 1.5 tablespoons of margarine, a cup of milk, 5 eggs, and I usually like cardamom for the flavor, and also vanilla essence, like a tablespoon of it. For the flour, it's not a must I use all of it. It depends on the consistency that you want. Some usually love the runny pancakes, and the others love the thick ones. We are going to use a blender, but if you don't have a blender, you can also use a whisk or a spoon, the one which is available. Blue band, we are going to melt it. Personally, I use the microwave because it's a little bit fast. It's time consuming. Like 30 seconds. Also learn to cook in a place that is clean. So make sure after that you like wipe a little bit and clear the place that you have just used. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness. reason why I love using the blender, it's because I don't love the lumps in my paste. I usually love it to be smooth. So I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes. I forgot to add cooking oil. But ukitaka unaweza add while you're cooking, but me wanna prefer to add hapa kwa nini. Gezi zimeshikana vizuri. Step ya kwanza tutaweka paste yetu kwa pan. Naona yeye itakuwa na shape, but tutakula taste, si shape. So tunataka at least hadi juu iive ikuwe like fluffy. Tutafunika na tupunguze moto ndio iweze kuiva hadi ndani. Acha tuangalie pancake yetu vile inaendelea. Haiko mbaya. Kwa wale hawana ile kijiko ya kugeuza pancake, unaweza tumia tu kijiko ya kawaida kama mimi hapa, but tutakununua next time. Na nikiangalia side ya chini haijaiva kabisa, so tufunike tu kidogo.
Subscribe for more tips on how to cook. Next time, we'll show you how to prepare Swahili tea.